working with everybody feels like it's a blessing. I feel like I'm the last person to arrive in the space. But it's just like people hugging me, just like, oh, like kind of the feeling of that you belong. It affects the way that you interact, the way that you move. There are so many pieces, like very beautiful moments that's been created, no matter what you do, no matter what the task is. You want to embrace like each person with love, with care, with support. Ethiopia has like more than like 80 nations and nationalities, and each tribe, they have their own music, their own movement. This a movement that I've done came from the Wolaita tribe, and they are found on the southern part of Ethiopia. If you listen to the music, you could not quite still. Just like it always drive you like, ha, wanna go.